Here is our benchtop digital multimeter dual display. This is the manual, operation manual. All the description is given over here. This is the front panel and back panel. You must be select 220 volt as input in India. This is the selector switch for different measurements. We have DC voltage, AC voltage, AC current, DC current. Here is the range of the capacitor, frequency measurement, HFE measurement, continuity and diode is the ohms measurement. This is the common voltage, ohms and hertz is measurement over here, and for the current measurement milliampere is measured here, and above that 20 milli is measurement over here. Firstly, the main thing, you have select the range. Suppose you have to measure AC voltage or DC voltage, select this switch. Up to milliamperes you have to measure over here. Above milliamperes, 2 ampere, 20 ampere, up to 20 ampere you have to measure over here, and same for the DC. For measurement the capacitance, here is the point, here is the hold button to hold the data, and here is the backlight on off. This is the very precise instrument, benchtop precise, very precise instruments, and everything is written in the manual basic. Now I have to measure the AC voltage. Select firstly, as I told you, measure. Before measurement, switch on the supply. I have to select here AC 750. That's you and same. You can measure DC or voltage and other parameters. This benchtop multimeter. Thank you.